Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Edward Seaga Highway, also known as Highway 2000 North-South Leg or Jamaica North-South Highway. This is a highway that takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios. And this highway has cut the travel time almost in half. What used to be a 1 hour and 30-minute journey is now a 45-minute drive. So we just got on the highway at the Caymanos Toll Plaza, and we'll be driving on the highway towards Ocho Rios. The highway actually runs from Caymanos, and you access the highway in Kingston from Mandela Highway. That leads you into this highway, and then this highway ends in Miami Bay, about 5 minutes outside of Ocho Rios. Now this highway was built by China Harbour Engineering Company, and they are the contractor that builds all the highways in Jamaica now. This highway was actually started by a French company who built the first leg or the east-west leg of Highway 2000, but they were unable to finish it, and the Chinese company came in and they finished it, and they've been building all the highways in Jamaica ever since. So here we can see the sign on the left. So we have an exit at Linstead, Angels and Spanish Town. Well, actually, Angels is a Spanish Town exit. What happened is the exit is called Angels. It's the Angels Toll Plaza, because the east-west leg of this highway that runs from Kingston to Montego Bay has an exit called Spanish Town. So this highway they call the exit Angels, and you do exit in the Angels area, but you have to exit at Angels to go into Spanish Town. I guess you can't have two toll plazas with the same name. So the other one is a Spanish Town Toll Plaza, and the one on this highway is the Angels Toll Plaza. Alright, so we're now coming up to the Angels exit. And this road is a toll road, so you have to pay to use the road. Alright, so we just went through the Angels Toll Plaza. Alright, if we turn left, we go into Spanish Town, and if we turn right, we go into the Boardwalk Gorge. So we're going into the gorge, and this is the Angels area. It's a very large residential area. We actually have videos up or driving through Angels Estate, so you can check out those videos. And now we're going to be going into the Boardwalk Gorge. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.